What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. On this channel we talk about lifestyle, sneaker related stuff, and today we're gonna pick up the Jordan 1 Hyper Royale and this first mall, and we're gonna have a lot of picks up for today, but unfortunately it's on the name of the family. So with that said, let's go. All right, so first up, first mall, I was hoping we could find something else rather than picking up, but also they have some first come first serve on the grade school. But hey, look at those, man. Look at here, we got something. 10.5 my size. Well, I'll pick this up. 10.5. I'm getting this one. And we got size 12. Okay, I'll pick this up. Size 12 and 10.5. Alright, so I got my pair, but then look at this one. Got something good here in grade school as well, so we'll pick that up. So we're gonna pick this up. If they got smaller sizes, maybe 6, and then this one another 6, and they still got the flints. This one is size 7. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, mostly size 7. Picking that as well. It's in grade school. Let's see if there's a 1Y. No. Alright, so we got our reservation for the Jordan 1 Hyper Royale and pick up few stuff, also the mids and some flint. While I'm there, I asked a few questions, and they asked a question regarding Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. Unfortunately, they're not gonna do a online raffle. They did already our in-store raffle yesterday. So okay, I'm kind of learning the process. So that means a 2 day before the drop, if it's not gonna show up online raffle, then probably there's a probability that it will gonna be a in-store raffle. So that's gonna be a tip for you. If you don't have a lot of points, you might gonna win an in-store raffle. And also I went also on one of the Foot Locker, because one of the employees already knew me. I'm already a reseller, so I asked them what's going on with the Jordan 1 2.0 and why my points have been refunded. So they said they didn't got them. So unfortunately, even though they have it, about 4 Foot Locker did not got them in my area. So good luck to those who have them, and hope you got your pair. Okay, so moving on with the other store. By the way, I got the size 9.5, and now I'm just gonna drop off some boxes on USPS. Few more pairs that needs to be dropped off here at UPS. Heading to the next mall. We're already here on the next finish line. Hopefully they also have some staff that like the other finish line, like more than 1 mids or something. Well, on this one they got also some flints. That's size 9. Another flints. Easter. I'm gonna ask if they have 9.5, 10 or 10.5 on this one. We got some lows. Pass on that one. You think you got size 13? 13? Here's the biggest we got. Okay, let's take a T grade school. They got also a lot of planes. That is 6. That is 6. Well, I'm gonna ask if they have 6.5. Yeah, 6.5. Look at this. They got 1Y. I'm gonna pick that 1Y on this one. So they got Toros. Which ones didn't have 6.5? That one? Okay.
Didn't have 6.5 on this one.
So I'll just take the size 6.
That's it.
And we have 3Y.
I can check.
Okay. Someone drop money. Oh, we'll pick it up. It's money. There we go. Bag is secured. Moving on to another mall. Alright, so checking out the champs. Let's see what they got. So I'm not gonna pick up this Jordan 11 low, 9.5. I'll take it. This is the only size? Yeah. I'll take them.
Someone just returned it. I'll go grab it.
So this 9.5 is a return, so I'll pick them up. Alright, so last stop on this finish line. What do we got here? Ungrateful. Nothing. Okay, let's see. We got 13s, we got Raging Bulls, another Flints. What size they got? What size is this one? Oh, that one is 8.5.
You said 101, but you just gave me the 100. That's good. It was just a couple more. I said.
I don't know if they have a bigger size, but I'm not gonna scoop up if they have the bigger sizes one. Easter, another Flints. Then got 10.5 or 11. So there you go. We got the last pair of the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royale, and also pick up some of the Jordan Toro. There you go. We got those Jordan 1 Hyper Royale, and pick up some few stuff along the way, and especially on that one, and found also some returns. We're gonna do unboxing on that one, so we're gonna check out this Jordan 1 first. All right, so here we go. We got our size. This is my size. We got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Hyper Royale. My size 10.5. Let's take them out. Interesting. Well, it's not just like I'm more excited when I got the Jordan 1 UNC compared to this one. Probably it's just because I'm already happy with the Jordan 1 UNC. That's why I'm not too much excited on this one. So for me, even though this one is my size 10.5, I might gonna go just resell it, because mostly of the investment I had to cope up or get some of those ROI. Yeah, it's my size, but I'm gonna let it go. So what do you think on this one? If you are a reseller, are you gonna keep them if this is your size, or are you gonna let them go? For personal, probably if I don't have the UNC Jordan 1 UNC, and if I don't have the Jordan 4 UNC, I might gonna keep it. But let me show you, it's still in the car. Yep, there we go. I already used it, like as you can see right there, it's already used. We have the UNC force. So that would be all for today's small pickup, small vlog, and I hope you like it. And if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, also leave a comment down below. And that's it.